standing here by the canals. We've been wandering around the 9 Street, which is a really cute little area. We're going to head back there later on and do some more, but it's a really beautiful city. There's tons of obviously old history and old buildings, the beautiful canals, there's art museums galore. There's just literally so much to do here. I wish we had more than 2 days. We're staying at the Movenpick Hotel, which is an awesome accommodation, great location, just a short walk into pretty much the central train station, which is really close to the city, so I highly recommend that. We'll show you around later on. We're on our way to Moco Museum, which is the modern art museum. I'm super excited. It's got a ton of exhibitions, so we're going to show you around in there. Amsterdam culture, there are bikes everywhere. They're tied up all along the canals. The boats are drifting up and down for you to do tours. It's just spectacular. It's such a beautiful place. Although, a word of warning, the bikes are fast. They will not stop, so you can get cleaned up pretty easily by them. I'm surprised I haven't been already. Watch out for bikes. Don't walk in the bike lanes. It's a dangerous way to go. In the lineup for the oldest and best fries in Amsterdam. It's called Fabel Fries. We had them yesterday. They're pretty good. Alright, got the chips.
Yummo.
They look amazing. Alright, taste test. We're running for our Moco Museum appointment, which is at 12:45. But we had to stop for the chips while it's early so that the oil was fresh and they tasted amazing. And they did. They smother them in mayo. If you choose mayo, there's about 20 choices of sauces, but you do pay extra for sauce. They're all delicious. It's amazing. 100% the right chip shop to go to. If you're in Amsterdam, make sure you check it out. And we're off to the Moco. Alright, we're in the Banksy exhibition at Moco. It's on the ground floor. Pretty awesome seeing it in real life, to be totally honest. It's quite extensive as well. Okay, we finished at the Moco Museum. We were in there about an hour and a half, I think. It was pretty good. There's not as many inclusions in each exhibition as I thought there would be. The Banksy one's pretty substantial, but there's only one Andy Warhol and Hearst, and I was hoping there'd be a few more, but all in all, pretty cool. The interactive display was really awesome, so yeah, great visit. So this is the Anne Frank house. It's actually down here, but the lineup starts around here. You buy your tickets and there's a coffee shop and a gift store. It's all quite elaborate, but it's an interesting site and definitely a huge amount of lineup with people. So you want to make sure you get your tickets online and be organised because it's going to take a while to get inside. Down by the canals, and there are canal guided tours for 1 hour, €13 per person, €9 for kids. You get in these boats and you go cruising around, and it's a guided talking tour, and there's these cute little canal houses along the way. Round of fries for today. We're trying out Fabel Fries.
Looks good, looks good.
Looks good. So we've got our Fabel Fries. Now we're testing them out to see if they're as good or better than the ones we tried this morning. Mike got mayo on his, I got melted cheddar cheese on mine. Let's test it. All gluten-free. Oh yeah, they're good. So these aren't as crunchy as the other ones. I probably love their crunchiness more. But these you can taste a hand cut, cooked to order. The cheese is tasty. At Movenpick Amsterdam City Centre. We've just checked in. We're staying on the 17th floor. Come on in and have a look. We've got the bathroom on the left here. Little amenities that you might have left at home are here as well. We've got a little storage nook with robes, slippers and your luggage if you want to pop it there. A bar and coffee station, everything that we're going to need for the next 2 days. A full lounge suite, complete with stunning views. An office and work desk. A massive king-size bed. And the most incredible views over Amsterdam city centre and also the rivers and canals. What more could you look for in a hotel room? The Amsterdam Movenpick has an incredible fully equipped gym, lots of relaxation spaces, saunas and spas. It is such a beautiful place to relax. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps to support us. See you next time.